here I am in my 2025 Corolla, and to give you a sample of how many inches from my head, five inches. But when I'm sitting in the passenger side, the headrest is 8 inches. So we had a 3-inch difference. And when you're the passenger sitting in the Corolla, you feel like you're sunken in. So we got a remedy for that. All right, everybody, so there's a company I just learned about. It's called desertdoesit.com. They actually sell a lift kit for your seat for the passenger side. Comes with these two brackets, some bolts, and some lock nut. I'm going to show you how to hook it up.
All right, so this is what I'm going to use for this operation. A 17mm socket, a T50 torque bit, small extension, ratchet, and a screwdriver. First thing we're going to do is remove the plastics on both sides over here and here. This one's pretty simple. Just come over here like this on this side and it pulls out. This one here, get your little screwdriver and so this one's a little difficult. It snaps in right in here on the edge, and then you pull back. All right, now that we removed the two plastic pieces, we're going to get our T50 and loosen up these rear bolts, and we're going to remove the front bolts. So do not remove the rear bolts and remove the front bolts. So I just put both shims. I want the maximum height. Put both shims inside. Now I'm starting to tighten down the bolt. All right, pretty simple. Just tighten down the bolts. They want you to use a torque wrench. Just do a good and tight method. This is how it looks. Put your plastic back on. Put your front bolts back on. I really don't know why we had to take them all the way off, but that's what the instructions said.
Did it work? Did it work? Yes, it did. I'm so happy. Let's give it the test. Let's see where my head is at now. 5. Gave me the 3 inches. It feels like I'm not sunken in anymore. It was worth it. It's a little pricey, but it's a quick and easy job. To sum it all up, I don't think I had to remove the 2 bolts in the front. Just have to loosen them up. The rear definitely has to come out. They say it doesn't have to come out. I don't understand why, because they got to change the bolt. So there you have it.